Hello everyone, welcome back to our series to understand what is AI. This is the second video of our series. Yesterday we discussed what is AI, how we can understand it with the help of brain analogy, how it is impacting business and all. And as we had discussed earlier, it's going to impact the knowledge economy as a whole. So today we will try to understand and map out what exactly knowledge economy is, what exactly knowledge market is, and how it is relevant for us. Especially, it is relevant for professionals who are working across all different domains. This is an important point you have to understand. This is applicable to all professionals जो नॉलेज रिलेटेड काम करते हैं. नॉलेज कैन बी कंसिडर्ड एज अ if you are consulting to someone, you are teaching to someone, or you are providing some kind of insight. So that's what it is known as knowledge. so let's start. AI is not a separate industry. कोई ऐसे अलग से कुछ है नहीं AI के. There is something different which has been introduced into the world. It is just a force which is transforming every layer. ये we have to focus on this point. I will cover it. Every layer of the knowledge market. अभी knowledge market के भी बहुत सारे layers है. बहुत सारे different aspects है which we are going to cover कि where this knowledge is sitting on into this whole market. So we try to divide it into four different things. These are completely what can I say, and macro view, rather than getting into the deep की exact impact कहाँ पर आ रहा है. First we have to try understand कि macro impact क्या हो रहा है, macro चीजों में कहाँ पे जा रहा है. So we try to map it out where AI is going to transform the entire domain itself. So first is search. As if you are aware, now people are searching on Chat GPT more. Whether you are doing a shopping, whether you want to go into kind of any mall, any kind of hotels, people are searching on Chat GPT or any kind of AI model. First, what we used to do, we used to search on Google. Google used to provide us some kind of 10 to 12 links. We have to click those links, and then we used to determine what we need to do or where we need to go. That process used to take a lot of time. Now that process has been, for example, if I really compare, Google gives you link, AI gives you डायरेक्ट आंसर्स दे रहा है. वो हर एक चीज का आंसर आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहा है फाइनल. And there is one concept called जैसे search engine optimization, and it was present during this Google time. Now it has changed to answer engine optimization. Means the brands and the products who used to use this SEO techniques, now they have to work on AEO as well, like answer engine optimization. For example, if you are from a real estate background, let us just consider, for example, hotel. Let's take an example of hotel. When you used to search for best hotels in Pune, you used to get a 10 to 15 links on Google. Now when you search on AI, you just get maxed 3 to 5 hotels only. Means just try and understand, जो नीचे के 5 hotels है, they are already out of the competition because AI didn't give their details. So that's how things are changing so quickly. If your hotel name is in the top 5 which AI has mentioned, then only your product or your service will survive. So just understand how big impact is going to be, because you are not going to search it again. आपको सामने आपके 5 options, best options मिल गए, you are not going to go anywhere. So that's how it's going to impact the search. Second is education, transitioning from static courses to AI tutors. For example, as a AI system, if you when you ask question answers based on that, you will realize कि rather than static, it is being dynamic. And as I said earlier, AI is dynamic, AI is user dependent. User कौन से domain का है, कौन से category से, that's how use case of AI will be defined. For example, if a doctor is using AI, if a NEET student, if a JEE student is using AI, AI is going to act as an AI tutor, solving the problems, explaining the concepts, and all other things which used to present in the static courses. Like थर्ड इज कंसल्टिंग, जहाँ पर अपना मेजर फोकस है कंसल्टिंग एआई ड्रिवन एनालिसिस रिप्लेसिंग मैनुअल वर्क. अब ये मैनुअल वर्क की मैं थोड़ी बात करना चाहता हूँ. यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने भर दिया. जस्ट अ मिनट. सो लेट्स कंसिडर कंसल्टिंग में मैनुअल वर्क. What kind of manual work? For example, you are doing some kind of competitive analysis. You are sitting at month end. You want to report to your CFO what are the status of competitors, how are their growth trajectory, what are their future plans. So to perform all these things, you used to then use Google, search 12 to 15 websites. एक वेबसाइट पे फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रक्चर देख लिया, एक वेबसाइट पे ग्रोथ ट्रेजेक्ट्री देख ली, एक वेबसाइट पे एम्प्लॉय सेंटिमेंट देख लिए. ऐसे करके 15 to 20 वेबसाइट्स यू हैव गॉन थ्रू एंड देन यू ट्राई टू मैप आउट कि उस वेबसाइट पे क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट आर्टिकल्स में से क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट फिगर्स are required for our competitive intelligence. So this used to take around 2 to 3 days, 8 hours of business hours of labor work. मतलब 15 to 20 सर्चेस करो. फर्स्ट डिटरमाइन, पहले तो हमें प्लान डिटरमाइन करना पड़ेगा कि एग्जैक्टली हमें देखना क्या है. उसके बेसिस पे फिर वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे, सर्च करेंगे, डेटा उठाएंगे, उसके बाद उस पर सिंथेसिस करेंगे. दैट हैज बीन completely vanished with the help of AI. Rather than AI, I will call it as a AI systems. If you use AI systems, for example, competitive intelligence, once you deploy your AI systems, इट विल ट्राई टू मैप आउट उसको क्या क्या करना है. फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन देखनी है, स्ट्रक्चरल इंफॉर्मेशन देखनी है, होल्डिंग सब्सिडरी रिलेशनशिप देखनी है. दैट्स हाउ वी कैन सेट अप 10 to 12 पैरामीटर्स. It will search on the web, it will try to extract the information and it will synthesize. And now this is not some kind of web scraping. So those who are very technical into this, our AI system do not just web scrape. We have already provided a 4 tiers category: T1, T2, T3, T4, based on how reliable the source is, and based on which, if there are any contradiction, it will map that as well and then come to a conclusion. So it is not just some kind of a raw scraping. So let's get back to the topic now. The content, unlimited generation of content, unlimited generating knowledge. As I said earlier, knowledge has no value now. Now the real value is coming from how you are going to apply that knowledge and how you will apply your own judgment. Because now knowing too much is not important. Knowing what to apply, I think that's going to be the next best age, and that's what we are going to cover. So this is it. I try to map it a bit. हमें कहाँ कहाँ इम्पैक्ट होने वाला है. वी डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू दिस ऑल काइंड ऑफ अदर थिंग्स. वेक्टर कुछ चल रहा है, एम्बेडिंग चल रहा है. वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. ऑफ कोर्स आई विल कवर अप दैट बेसिक्स की, हाँ एग्जैक्टली बैकएंड में क्या हो रहा है, बट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हमें कहाँ कहाँ पर ये इम्पैक्ट कर रही चीजें. सो दिस इज द लेक्चर 2 एंड नेक्स्ट वी विल कवर दिस. एआई पैसे ही ऑलरेडी एम्बेड है हमारी लाइफ में. एज आई सेड, इफ यू मैप इट विथ ह्यूमन ब्रेन ना, आपके ऑलमोस्ट हाफ ऑफ द कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएंगे. एंड दैट्स इट. थैंक यू सो मच.